This video is to show the desktop assembly line I have built for making my ReflowR SMD soldering tools. For applying solder paste, I make up a frame from some scrap PCBs. On my laser cut stencils, I also have cut 3mm mounting holes on the stencil itself, to which I fit 3mm steel dowel pins. This makes alignment very easy. Here I am holding the camera with one hand and applying the solder paste with the other. Have a look at the registration on the 36-pin QFN part. Very accurate. Even the 0603 parts are perfectly aligned. All thanks to the 3mm dowel pins. This is my self-designed, self-built pick-and-place machine. It took about 10 days to design and build. It runs OpenPNP software and uses modified Marlin firmware on a RAMS 1.4 board. It is not that well aligned yet, but that's good to demonstrate the benefit of the ReflowR. The larger parts are too heavy for the small single nozzle, so they are placed by hand. The ReflowR is dead easy to use. Just press the start button twice to start the reflowing. You can see quite a few parts are poorly aligned, but not to worry, the surface tension pulls them straight. I have skipped ahead now so you can see the reflowing starting to go off and some parts straightening. Now there are a few parts that were placed just too far off, but a steady hand is all that is needed to nudge them into place. I like to nudge the QFN parts slightly and watch as the surface tension aligns them perfectly on their pads. Once the program is complete, it starts the cooling cycle and turns on the fan. There you go, the PCB sub-assemblies for both the large and smart ReflowR ready for further assembly. Thanks for watching. You can visit my ReflowR page for more information.